I almost ignored MagicLight AI, not because it looked bad, because every week there's another AI video generator claiming it's the fastest, smartest, or most realistic tool on the market. After a while, they'll all start sounding the same, so instead of believing the marketing, I decided to use MagicLight AI the way most people actually would. I gave it a simple task: turn an idea into a finished video. No editing, no complicated workflow, just AI. The first result surprised me. The video wasn't perfect, but it was good enough that I would have actually shared it after making a few small changes. That caught my attention. Then I tried different projects, a product promo, a YouTube explainer, a social media short. That's when I noticed something. MagicLight AI isn't trying to beat professional editing software. It's trying to eliminate the slow part of video creation. And honestly, it does a pretty good job. But here's what nobody tells you. The quality of the video depends more on your input than the AI itself. The first prompt I wrote was lazy. The video looked average. The second prompt included the audience, tone, scene details, and style. The difference wasn't small, it was obvious. That taught me something. Good prompts create good videos, not expensive subscriptions. Now, is this the best AI video generator? I don't think there's one winner anymore. Different tools are good at different things, but MagicLight AI does have one advantage. It helps you go from an idea to a usable video incredibly fast. That's valuable if you're a YouTuber posting every week, a freelancer delivering client work, an agency testing out creatives, or a business owner who needs content without hiring a full production team. So here's my honest opinion. Don't buy MagicLight AI expecting one-click viral videos. Buy it if your goal is to create faster, test more ideas, and spend less time staring at a blank timeline. Because that's where this tool actually shines. And honestly, that's why I think so many creators are starting to pay attention to it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.